This video shows how to do the wiring of the air handler control unit. We will start with providing 24-volt DC power. A single 120-volt plug provides 24-volt AC power for the thermostat, as well as power for the blower motor. There is a black Cat5 cable that connects the air handling unit up to the pod. We suggest using an 18/8 wire for the thermostat, and we follow the standard thermostat wiring color codes. In addition to the Cat5 cable running to the pod, we do need an additional 18/8 wire also running to the pod. The color code for this wire is shown on the connector. When night cooling is used alongside hydronic heating, we need an additional 8/3 wire to connect the damper up to the AHU. When we pair a heat pump AC unit with hydronic heat, we will need an 18/8 wire to communicate to that heat pump AC outdoor unit. Although we're only plugging in 3 wires, the blue, yellow, and orange, to this connector, we are going to use the green and black wires. They're going to be spliced onto the green and black wires from the 18/8 pod wire. When we add night cooling to the pairing of the heat pump AC unit and hydronic heat, we will be sharing the 5-pin AC damper connector. This will require a common wire splice, as shown here, the blue wires. Finally, we will be splicing the green and black wires from the pod 18/8 wire and the HVAC 18/8 wire.